Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend image or photo using Picsart. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Picsart application and I'm going to choose photo that I want to blend. For the first photo, I'm just going to choose this photo. Okay, and after that, we're going to scroll all the way to the right around here and click on add photo. And choose the second photo you would like to blend with your first photo, and I'm just going to choose from this folder. Okay, and for the second photo I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and click on add, and I'm going to zoom in until it matches my first photo, and we can scroll all the way to the right again around here and click on blend. Okay, and here you can choose the type of the blend you would like to use. You can select screen, multiply, darken, lighten, overlay, or add. And I'm going to choose overlay. Okay, and click on the check mark. And once you're ready to save this photo, you can click on this icon to save it to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blend photo on Picsart. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.